Greetings, dear learners. I welcome you all to the SRN Knowledge Center. I am a faculty of Social Science. Today I'll explain you topic India, its size and location of grade 6. In this topic, I would be covering following subtopics. They are location and size, political divisions, our neighbors, physiographic divisions, the great mountains of the Great Northern Plain, the Thar Desert, the Great Plateau of Peninsula, the coastal plains. Let's know about the size of India. India lies in the south of Asia, at the head of the Indian Ocean between 8 degree 4 minutes and 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes and 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minutes east longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer passes nearly midway across India and divides it into two parts, the northern India and the Deccan and peninsular India. The longitudinal or east-west extent of India is about 30 degree. 82 degree 30 minute east longitude is taken as the standard meridian of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Let's know about its states and union territories. The Republic of India is a union of states. It consists of 28 states and 8 union territories for administrative convenience. Delhi is our national capital. The states are formed on the basis of languages. Let's know about our neighboring countries. Our closest neighbors are 7 countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar, with which we share common borders. The length of our total land borders with our neighboring countries is about 5,200 kilometers. Let's know about the great mountains of the north. These fold mountains extend from the plateau of Pamir to the frontier of Myanmar for a distance of nearly 3,000 kilometers. They are well known for their snow-covered peaks, big and small glaciers, deep gorges and thick forests which attract tourists from all over the world. The northernmost range is called the Himadri. The Mount Everest is the highest peak, which is in Nepal. South of Himadri lies the Himachal and Shivalik is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. The Great Northern Plain. It lies to the south of the Himalayas. It extends from the Punjab Plain in the west to the Brahmaputra Valley in the east for a distance of about 2,500 kilometers. It is richest plains of the world. It is made up of the fertile alluvial soil. This plain is extremely level and is the most thickly populated region of India. Let's know about Thar Desert. As we proceed westward in the Great Northern Plain, we find the trees disappearing and the climate becoming somewhat hotter. This part is called the Thar Desert, which is devoid of plains and trees. The rocky terrain is covered with sand. Let's know about Great Plateau of Peninsular India. The Deccan Plateau lies in the south of the Great Northern Plain. It is made up of hard and igneous rocks. It is composed of two parts, the Malwa Plateau in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. These two parts are separated by the Vindhyas and the Satpura ranges. Let's know about coastal plains. The Deccan Plateau is flanked by the narrow coastal plains in the east and the west. The western coastal plain lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Its northern part is called a Konkan and the southern part Malabar. The natural harbors of Mumbai and Marmagao are located on the western coast. The eastern coastal plains lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. Its southern part is called the Coromandel Coast. Let's know about groups of Indian islands. In addition to the mainland, India has two sets of islands. One is known as Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the other is known as Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lies in the Bay of Bengal. They are 233 in number. Lakshadweep Island lies in the Arabian Sea, about 300 kilometers away from the Kerala coast. The islands are 27 in numbers. If you like the video, kindly do like, share and comment on the video. Thank you.